Is how to change your profile name for Minecraft Java in 2025. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure to use the one that owns Microsoft Java. Once you are signed in, go to All Games, scroll down and find Minecraft Java. There you will see the option to change your profile name. Click on it and you will be taken to the page where you can update your Minecraft profile name. Keep in mind that you only get one free name change every 30 days, so choose carefully. For this tutorial, I will type in the tutorial. After entering the new name, click Change Your Profile Name and the update will go through. As you can see, the profile name has now been changed. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.